Oh my feathers! This balloon is floating at the ceiling without any helium. How is this defying the laws of gravity? Look at it dancing in the air. No strings, no helium, no tricks. Just a regular balloon breaking physics. Scientists say balloons need helium to float, but this balloon is laughing at gravity. Can you solve this incredible mystery? Welcome back to Wonder Labs. I'm Professor Nova, and today we have an absolutely electrifying mystery that needs a special expert. This experiment involves electricity and invisible forces. Luckily, I know the perfect scientist for this job. Let me introduce him. Meet Dr. Spark, our electricity expert.
Thanks, Nova. I'm Dr. Spark, and electricity is my specialty. Let's solve this floating balloon mystery together, young scientists. First, let me show you what normal balloons do. Watch closely. Gravity pulls it down, just like physics textbooks say. Now I'm inflating a fresh balloon with just my breath. No helium here, only regular air that's heavier than atmosphere. Well, that's disappointing. Gravity wins again. The balloon just falls down like a rock. I have an electrical secret weapon. This simple piece of fabric holds the power to create invisible electrical forces. I'm rubbing the balloon against this fabric. Zap! This creates something invisible, but incredibly powerful. Static electricity. Incredible. The balloon is now stuck to the ceiling. It's floating through my electrical powers, defying gravity completely. I can make multiple balloons float with electricity. Each one sticks wherever I place it. Wall, ceiling, anywhere. Electrical magic rules. Zap! Here's the electrical secret. It's called static electricity. Rubbing creates electrical charges that make objects attract each other with invisible force. The electrical science is fascinating. Rubbing creates positive charges on the balloon and negative charges on surfaces. Opposite electrical charges attract. Positive and negative electrical charges are like invisible magnets.
You can safely try this electrical experiment at home.
Next time, I'll show you mind-bending magic.
Subscribe for more Wonder Labs. Oh my feathers, what an absolutely wonderful experiment that was. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop being curious about our amazing world.